Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what we consider the best grill cover on the market, the GrillTough Heavy-Duty Barbecue Grill Cover. If you're looking for a cover that will provide exceptional protection for your outdoor grill, you found it. This cover is designed for durability, made from premium fade-resistant polyester fabric and enhanced with a waterproof vinyl coating. This combination ensures your grill stays protected against UV rays, rain, snow, and even cold cracking. Whether you have a Weber, Genesis, Charbroil, or another popular grill brand, the GrillTough cover fits perfectly and shields your grill from all the elements. One of the standout features of this cover is its heavy-duty construction. It's built to handle whatever weather you throw at it, making sure your grill remains in top shape for longer. It has sturdy fastening straps that ensure a snug fit, preventing it from slipping or blowing off during strong winds. No more worries about your cover being blown away during a storm. In terms of convenience, the GrillTough cover is incredibly easy to maintain. When it gets dirty, just hose it down with water, and it dries quickly in the sun. It's that simple to keep your grill cover looking like new. The dimensions of this specific cover are 58 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 48 inches high, making it a great option for medium-sized grills. If you need something a bit bigger or smaller, there are multiple sizes available, so you can easily find the right fit for your grill. If you're tired of constantly worrying about the weather damaging your grill, this cover offers the protection you need. It's affordable, durable, and designed to last, making it the best choice for keeping your grill safe and secure year-round. So, if you're serious about preserving your outdoor grill investment, the GrillTough Heavy-Duty Barbecue Grill Cover is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.